I gotta get on the next ferry to Langkawi. Wow, this is a beautiful island. So I just got here in Koh Lipe. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I've got another half hour before I can actually check into through immigration. They already gave me the ticket and everything. They took my passport so that I won't end up staying here for longer than they need to. But I mean, there's a good reason. Look at this. It's crazy. It's beautiful here. Good morning. It is a little bit past 8 o'clock right now. I'm leaving for the pier at about 9:15. The ferry leaves at 10:30. I've already finished packing and stuff. I noticed I really didn't do much of a room tour of where I'm staying. It's actually a pretty nice place. It's called Untitled Chapter. I got a AC room. It's like $24 US. There's the bed. There's a refrigerator. And yeah, there's actually an ice maker in here, which was really nice. I got to make some ice, and hopefully somebody appreciates this when they're checking in later. The closet is fairly big, and then the bathroom is actually quite nice. There's a heater, which you don't even need to use because the water comes in already preheated, and nice mirror. Anyways, got everything packed into my little bags. I'm gonna be taking a ferry. It's gonna be about a 7.5 hour ferry ride to Langkawi, and I'm leaving to Taipei. I'm leaving Thailand today. Thailand was only gonna be Ko Lanta, something that I've been wanting to visit for a long time. It was a really great experience, and yeah, let's go to the ferry right now. So I'm here at the pier, Saladan Pier. And right now it's about 9:30. Got another hour before we head out, and I've already checked in. Okay, we're here. Everybody's waiting to get on. So we're boarding right now, and we're supposed to get to Lipe at about 1 p.m. So it's going to be roughly about a 2-hour ferry. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we've arrived at Ko Lipe. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna get to customs, and I gotta get on the next ferry to Langkawi. Wow, this is a beautiful island. So I just got here in Ko Lipe. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon, and I've got another half hour before I can actually check into through immigration. They already gave me the ticket and everything. They took my passport so that I won't end up staying here for longer than they need to. But I mean, there's a good reason. Look at this. It's crazy. It's beautiful here. I probably should have stayed here a couple of days, but I didn't know that I was coming through here anyways. But yeah, so I'm leaving at 4 o'clock, which gives me about 3 hours or something. 2.5 hours to check this place out. I'm gonna walk around, get something to eat, and yeah, this is really kind of amazing. I'm shocked. This place is so beautiful. So just a quick note, I'm sitting down. I'm probably gonna grab something to eat real quickly. I don't really want to walk around. It's really hot, and then I've only got about half an hour before I can check in, so I'll just wait until I just sit around here for a little bit and just kind of relax. But yeah, it's like about double the price of what the stuff is over in Ko Lanta. But I mean, it's a small island. So I'm having a little bit of lunch. There's a ginger chicken here with steamed rice and a mango juice. so I've already checked out of the country, really. And I'm just waiting right now for the boat to get here, and then we're heading out. Okay, so we're getting on the boat. Thank you.
I'm still confused.
It's like another boat, another boat.
Yeah, that was another boat, right?
Yeah, that was, yeah.
Everything is just confusing me.
Okay, so we are at the international terminal for Langkawi port, and I guess I'll be needing to go through customs again. Okay, so I am here at Purple Haze Tavern, and yeah, it's time to check in. This is a little bit different from your where the main area is, a little bit quieter. So if I need to go anywhere and do anything, I'll probably have to be riding a bike. Okay, so I've checked into my room at the Purple Haze, and now I am gonna be I need to go get a bike. I just got my bike, and now I need to find my directions and get into town and get some money and stuff like that. Okay, so I found a place to park, and I'm just gonna walk down this area. There's a lot of food, and there's also, looks like there's a money exchange in front, so I'm gonna go do that first. So I got my money, and yeah, time to walk around. I think I might try some food and stuff like that just for the hell of it, but I also want to go back and prepare for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, this place looks pretty cool. There's still quite a lot of people though for beginning of boat season. Okay, so I kind of walked around a little bit. There's some shops open. All the shops are open, so. But today I think I'm just gonna head back. I'm gonna get something simple to eat, and I'm gonna